Hey guys, on today's video we will be in the Disneyland Resort at the California Adventure theme park riding on one of my favorite attractions, the Incredicoaster, and I'm really proud of the 4K footage I got from the front row on this ride. I sure hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up, and if you want to show us your support, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy the video. Man, I love that ride, and I sure am proud of the footage that I ended up getting on that ride from the front row that day. Incredicoaster is far and away one of the best attractions at the California Adventure Park, and it's even one of my favorite attractions at the Disneyland Resort. It's my daughter's absolute favorite attraction at the Disneyland Resort, so it's one that we go on all the time. I sure hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to show us your support, please subscribe to our channel. Bucket Day Adventures is also available on Instagram and TikTok. And please remember to take time out of your day to do something fun to fill your bucket. Thanks for watching and take care.